Hi everyone, hope you're all well and have settled into your new class, okay? So, the reason this video is coming to you today is because next week is Maths Week and we've got lots and lots of exciting activities that you're going to do in school and a couple of activities that you can do at home as well. So one of the activities is a competition. So I'm launching a competition and it's a maths challenge competition. So, you may have seen these dotted around the school at some point over the past couple of years. So, normally I have one in Key Stage 1, one in Key Stage 2, and one in the office area. And they are challenges that look like this. And the person who enters the challenge, who figures it out, gets themselves a house point. Hopefully, you recognise that if you've been here in the past couple of years, you'll have seen those. The competition is to write your own challenge. Okay, so your challenge could end up on the walls of Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2 or by the office for other people to try and work out. Okay, so I'm going to read you this challenge just to give you an idea. So this one says, Holly has 6 numbers, 3 1s and 3 2s. She also has lots of signs. She is trying to make the biggest number possible. Here are some that she's tried. Can you beat Holly's score? Okay, so that's that challenge. So your challenge could be something like this. It could be to do with numbers and finding what's the biggest number you can make with these numbers, or what's the smallest number you can make. Or it could be, can you make an odd number? Your challenge could be more of a brain teaser. It could be something that's got lots of steps to it. Or you might have to crack a code. It might reveal a hidden word or a hidden number. Or it might be that you've got a shape challenge. So you might want to draw a picture and say, how many triangles can you see in this picture? Okay, so those are some ideas for you to write your own challenge. So every single person that enters the competition that gives me a challenge is going to get 5 house points. Okay, so just by entering you get 5 house points. If your challenge makes sense and if it gives a proper answer and it's okay, then it's going to go up on the walls. So I'm going to use it throughout the year to go up in either Key Stage 1, Key Stage 2 or by the office. Okay, so other people could look at your competition, your challenge and get themselves a house point. And then, not only that, so you could get yourself 5 house points, you could get your challenge on the wall. Also, I'm going to choose an entry from Key Stage 1 and an entry from Key Stage 2, who I think have done fantastic. And they're going to get a special prize. Okay, so what you need to do is write your challenge. So if you're in, you might need some help from a grown-up if you're in one of the younger classes, and that's okay. You can give that a go. You can maybe say your challenge and a grown-up could write your ideas down, okay? Or if you're in the older year groups, then you could be able to do it yourself. You can give your entry to your teacher or you can upload it onto your own Teams. Just let your teacher know if you've done that. And then they're going to give it to me for me to have a look at, okay? And you need to decide whether your challenge is going to be aimed at Key Stage 1 or at Key Stage 2. So it might be that you're in Year 6, but you've got a really good idea for a challenge that would suit Key Stage 1. So if your challenge suits, you think it's maybe a bit harder and it could be for Key Stage 2, then you can use that one. Or you think if it uses smaller numbers and ideas that are more Key Stage 1, then you could let me know. Or if it could be any, then you don't need to let me know at all. If you think any child in the school could do this one, then that's fine as well. You could maybe write that down underneath. Okay, so make sure you have a think before you write it. Who is this aimed at? Is it Key Stage 1 or is it Key Stage 2? Okay, so as I said, you've got until next Friday, so not this Friday, next Friday, the Friday of Maths Week, to enter the competition. Make sure that you give it to your teacher if it's a hand copy, or if it's on the internet, then make sure you put it on to Teams. And as I said, every entry is going to get themselves 5 house points. If it's good and it makes sense, it will go up on the wall throughout the year. And then there's the chance to be one of the Key Stage 1 or the Key Stage 2 winner. Okay, if you've got any questions, then you can ask your teacher and I'm sure they will pass the questions on to me, but they'll probably be able to answer them for you. Okay, good luck. I can't wait to see them. It'd be great to get as many entries as possible and then we get our house points boosted up as well. All right then, good luck everybody and I will see you very soon. Bye.